beer can chicken, the beer can chicken. Chicken tastes better with a beer can in it, yeah. First you get your base, beer and your rub. Use a blueberry wheat if you want it to be great. Put on your base, coat it real good so the rub stays on like it should. Then you take your rub a dub, get real dirty with it even in its butt. Now comes the most important part. Take some beer and you pour it in your mouth. Yeah. Then you set the chicken butt on your beer, and if you want some more beer, then get a new beer. Traeger's gonna rage at 375 till the internal temp is 165. Now it's ready to go when the juices flow and it's cooked right through so you don't die. I see you looking at those potatoes. If you want those potatoes, see my other video. Now look at this beauty, moist and juicy. The skin tastes like blueberry candy. It's the best dang chicken you've ever had. All right. Cook it for somebody and you'll be the man or woman. All right.